Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and capable SUVs on the market, the 2025 Range Rover. This latest model continues to set the benchmark for premium SUVs, combining elegance, technology, and powerful performance. We're going to take a closer look at the exterior, the interior, the performance, and, of course, the pricing. So, if you're thinking about getting one or just love cars, stay tuned until the end. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Range Rover retains its signature sleek and minimalist design but with some refined updates. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring a redesigned grille with a more intricate pattern, seamlessly integrated with slim, pixel LED headlights. These headlights offer incredible brightness and adaptive technology that adjusts to road conditions and oncoming traffic. The overall shape remains clean and sophisticated, with flush door handles and a smooth, uninterrupted shoulder line running across the vehicle. At the rear, the vertical taillights maintain the hidden until lit feature, giving it a futuristic and elegant look. The aerodynamic improvements help with efficiency and stability, while new wheel designs, ranging from 21 to 23 inches, add a sportier touch. Depending on the trim level, you can get a blacked-out roof, unique badging, and even a satin-finished paint option for that ultra-premium feel. Moving inside, the 2025 Range Rover's cabin is nothing short of exceptional. Every inch of the interior is covered in high-end materials, including premium leather, sustainable ultrafabrics, and wood veneers. The new 13.1-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system now runs the latest Pivi Pro software, offering sharper graphics and faster response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with Amazon Alexa integration. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable layouts, while an available 13.7-inch head-up display provides essential driving information without distraction. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class seating, with available reclining, massaging seats, and individual 11.4-inch entertainment screens. The optional Meridian Signature sound system delivers an immersive, 1600-watt audio experience, making long drives feel like a first-class experience. The long wheelbase version offers even more legroom, making it ideal for those who prefer to be chauffeured. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, featuring mild hybrid technology, producing around 395 horsepower. For those seeking more power, the twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 is available, pushing out an impressive 523 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.4 seconds. A plug-in hybrid variant is also available, combining a 6-cylinder engine with an electric motor to offer over 50 miles of all-electric range. For the ultimate performance, the upcoming all-electric Range Rover is expected to launch later this year. Every model comes with an advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and all-wheel steering, making this large SUV incredibly agile both on and off the road. With terrain response too, the vehicle can automatically adjust to different surfaces, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Range Rover starts at around $106,000 for the base SE trim, while the higher-end trims, such as the Autobiography and SV models, can exceed $200,000 when fully loaded. The plug-in hybrid version starts at around $123,000, while the upcoming fully electric model's price has yet to be announced. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Range Rover. With its perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance, it's easy to see why this SUV remains a top choice among high-end buyers. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Range Rover and whether you'd choose the hybrid, V8, or the upcoming electric version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.